How to create charging animation on OneUI. No need to install any third-party software. Easily customize any effect without slowing down the charging process. Reverts to default immediately after unplugging the charger. Open Pinterest app, enter charging animation to search video effects. Select the video you want to use, tap the three dots, and copy the video link. Open your web browser, go to this website, paste the copied video link into the input field, then tap the download button to get the video. Open the Gallery app, select the downloaded video, and trim it to fit the phone wallpaper format. Open your phone settings, select Modes and Routines, go to the Routines tab, and create a new routine. In the If section, search for the charging status condition and select both wired charging and wireless charging options. In the Then section, search for the Wallpaper action, select Change Lock Screen Wallpaper, then open Gallery and choose the video you downloaded from Pinterest. Tap Done and save the routine, then exit. Now, every time you plug in the charger, your device will automatically play the charging effect using the video you selected. But this doesn't affect the charging speed at all. Once you unplug the charger, the device will immediately return to the default wallpaper. You can customize the charging effect anytime by editing the routine settings. Choose any video you like to use as the effect, just make sure it's no longer than 15 seconds. With this method, you can customize any charging effect you want on Samsung OneUI. No need to install any third-party apps. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.